Hi guys, we're finally made it to the Apple store. I'm gonna pick up my new iPhone. I bring up my bestie, Kruti. If you guys know, you know. I'm also waiting for my other friend. But yeah, apparently we still have to do the queue, even though we already reserved the phone, so which is quite funny. Hi, Samantha. Okay, oh yeah, we have to show.
Yeah, you can break the queue from here.
Yeah. 1, 2. Hey. No, later when we got the phone.
Okay, we got the phone. We got your phone.
Oh my god!
It's a historic moment.
I have to prove, no? Wait, my cards. Yeah, it's me.
Okay.
Just to prove it's mine. No, it's not
He's
for my
just
birthday.
buying it for...
Because I'm done with my 64GB iPhone 11.
Okay,
I'm tired.
okay.
I need more memory. Oh my god, this is so cool.
Guys, thanks to you too. Thank you. Bye. Okay, go unboxing.
Wait.
What color?
I don't know about this one, but
Okay.
I can picture this
So
one.
guys,
What
it's
color is
recording,
this?
right? So this is, oh, it's a surprise, but you can tell. This is the hint.
Is it like the gold, the rose gold or gold? It's gold, right?
Is it?
It's rose gold.
But it's not called rose gold.
Okay, it's gold.
But yeah, we'll unbox this
Damn.
together. Bismillah, guys.
Ooh, wait. ASMR, shh, you guys.
Other one.
I need one gift of iPhone.
Oh my god, so satisfying as well.
Oh my god!
It's so
Oh my god!
This color, I think I made the right decision. It's
Damn.
like rose gold.
It is
But
so
like,
pretty.
I'm crazy. Okay, let's unpeel this up.
Okay, wait, you guys. Shh. Damn. Look at this
cable.
phone. It's
so-
Type C, right?
Yeah,
Mine's
finally.
Mine's is type like the lightning one. It's so annoying.
There's a new button now.
Yeah, it's for the camera, right? If I'm
Yeah,
not mistaken.
shit. It's fingerprint magnet though. Not really.
No way.
Not really.
Is it?
In a way, but it's not visible. It's fine. Oh, I bought the case also. Got this from Amazon.
Do you have your phone screen protector?
No, I don't.
Be careful
because I have
then.
insurance, so it's fine.
It's fitting perfectly.
It's
right?
fit. Yeah, I'm surprised.
Crazy.
Obviously, it will fit because it is supposed to be meant for iPhone 16 Pro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, if it doesn't
It's
fit,
smaller.
Amazon, you guys.
I'm gonna show y'all my phone.
Before and after. Wait, hold on. See, let's
That's a
see.
huge difference.
Compare this phone. This is his old phone, you guys.
Oh, I'm turning it on, y'all.
Oh, dang. This is his old phone.
And this is my new one.
Guys,
this is such a
look at
cute
this.
color.
I love it.
Oh my god, I'm so
not,
happy.
It's not too much, but it's
It's subtle.
Not too simple.
It's there.
Yeah, it is the same
14
size.
Pro, 11, and 16 Pro
Oh my
together.
god.
Oh my god, amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, I
And
should be
13.
careful with my stuff. Hello.
You guys.
Medium.
Pretty cool.
Okay, continue. I say yes.
Look at that, y'all.
It's so easy.
Apple, we love you.
Yeah. I have to do everything myself. Face ID.
Because you're a pro Apple user, so you don't need
That's
anyone
true,
to
that's
help you.
true.
You're mature.
I'm an experienced iPhone user.
Very mature.
Okay, we're just gonna do the Face ID thing.
I love soul placing.
Ah, it's done, y'all. Ah, the pink. Oh my gosh. Wow, I'm obsessed. Even I'm obsessed.
Barbie color.
Right? Like compared to my rose gold one. I mean,
Oh my gosh, just look at me with this outfit I have.
slay, right? Oh my god, you look so slay. Wait, bezels are quite thick actually compared to my pro model. Yeah, just compare yours, like your pro. That's a huge difference. Well,
I mean, for the 16 plus, it is it is.
it's still big, yeah. But I'll get used to it. I mean, I've tried the normal iPhone before, so it's not a big deal.
So pretty though.
The blue, my blue is my.
If you like mint chocolate.
Yeah.
Like it's like a really mint color. Mint
I think you would like that too. I mean, if you like green, go for the teal one. So that's that, y'all. Yeah, that's my phone right there. Oh, this is the 16 Max.
I don't like it. 'Cause
Holy
I have like
cow.
a really small head.
Right? That's too big. Okay, I think I made the right decision.
Like, look at this. This is your phone.
Yes, you. You know, you don't have to do that. Look. Voila.
Jim, what the heck?
You forgot. Voila. And then you can zoom like. Sha. Oh, that's a filter. My bad. So, you double tap, I guess? No. I don't understand. I have to get used to this.
Really?
Yeah, that's weird.
So cool.
Yeah, how come mine is not doing that? Oh, and then there's styles. No, zoom. Yeah, I just want zoom.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Oh, wait. Calm down.
Zoom. Clicked on it. Yeah.
And
now zoom.
Yeah, there we
Wow.
go. It's finally done.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so we're gonna open this up. Complete.
So it's like.
What now? Wireless charging may use more energy than. Okay.
Okay, I mean, it's
Not my
supposed to give
problem.
us energy.
Yeah. Storage.
Damn!
Mind blowing.
No way.
It's
It's
an
expensive.
investment. I'm a content creator. First things first. I think iCloud is just so slow. Oh,
1 tera is
Try
no.
again.
Mine's is like 128.
now it's using 22 giga. Right away. GarageBand, iMovie, the whole shebang.
Hi guys.
Hi guys, so we finally made it to Gare du Nord. Oh, Popeyes is just right there. Oh, I can pause video now.
Oh yeah. We have to start vlogging with my new phone.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yummy.
So good.
Which one is spicy?
This is not spicy.
Okay.
This is also not spicy. This is little bit spicy.
Okay, perfect.
Mayonnaise.
No, it's
No.
not.
It's okay.
This one is like tastes like lemon.
Okay.
Right.
This one is like a tomato chutney, tomato curry
Okay.
chutney. This one is a green chutney with mint, and
Oh. Might taste good.
yeah. And this one I guess it's from coconut. I'm not sure, but I guess
I
this
will
is from
try.
the coconut.
Okay, cheers.
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 Cheers. It's like tahu. Tofu.
We call it paneer.
Nice.
We have less coriander.
Shot.